game at the moment, it all comes out pretty much as one big set of text. We can do this a little better. We can improve the formatting of our text. To do this, what we can do is we can get it to come out in small batches. We use a thing called sleep for this. But to use sleep, we need to teach Python how to do it. So we need to import it. So up here under setup and the variables above our lives, we need to write the line from time import sleep. Okay, from time import sleep. And that allows us to do the sleeping part. So I can leave a little comment there to remind it we only do this once. Further down, to use sleep, so we use a little pause, we're going to just slot it in here. So let's do one straight after welcoming them to the adventure. Now, we can just do sleep 2.0 for 2 seconds and there should be a little pause. So if I run this, we should see a difference. So again, it's going to ask me what my name is, which is just here. And then it's going to welcome us, and then there should be a 2-second pause before it starts doing story. Here we go. 2, there we go, and it started printing out. We can make this more effective. So we could break this bit up if we wanted to, and put another sleep in here, and put a print in there. We could put another sleep in here. And we could put another print in here. Just making sure that we match the number of quotations at the start and the end. So if we run that now, here we go, there's that pause. Here's the start, another start, another start. But as you see, it's all now grouped up together. So to space it all out again to make it a little bit more readable, what we can do is we can add in some blank lines. So after our first line that we want to put a blank line, we just put a print statement and 2 brackets with nothing in it. If we want to do that again, print statement and 2 blank brackets. We also might want to do it up here as well, maybe leave a couple here. So we're leaving 2 blank lines there. Super. So I'm going to run that and just show you what the difference is. Bob to the adventure. It's gone down 2 lines already. There we go. It's spaced it all out a bit more. And you can fiddle around however you like it with your pauses and with your spaces. But do include at least 1 pause in your game and do include a couple of blank lines just so you know how to do it. There we go. And then on to the next video.